Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is what we are going to make today. And we will be learning how to make these earrings, and which consists of two different colors. One is yellow and another is olive here for me. And so for making this beautiful floral earring, we require these following materials. These are the anchor threads, number 8 size I am taking, number 8. And then we require a pair of scissors, the fabric glue, the stud to attach this flowers on this, and also we require one stopper for this. And here I am using 0.6 and one is 0.55. One is 0.6, one is 0.55. So we are going to start off now without any delay. So I am first making the green one. So for this we require to make one magic ring, and then just close the magic ring with a chain stitch, and then 3 chain stitches including the base chain which we have made to close the magic ring. And then we are going to take yarn over thrice, 1, 2, 3. So this is the first petal which got made. Close it and then insert the hook in the magic ring, and then just pull it through the chain. Then we make another second petal. 5 petals we have to make. 2, 3 chains, then yarn over thrice, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then close it. Then insert the hook into the magic ring and close it. So this is the second petal which got made, and then we again make 3 chains. We make 3 chains, just enlarging it further, and just pull this yarn and tighten it a bit. So again thrice the yarn over, 1, 2, 3, close it. Insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull the yarn, then close it. Then we make 2 more petals in this way. So this is the last petal which I just made. I am going to close this and just pull it. I am going to pull it a little more because we need to use this same thread to insert the bead at the center. So we are going to use this bead, golden bead. So how do we use it? I will just show it. The back we need to insert and then pull the yarn or thread through this center hole, and then here we need to tie it, and then we will be inserting the bead. Then from the right side we need to insert the hook, pull the longer thread through the hole, then insert the thread into the bead. Okay, and then this, bring it back. From the same hole, so this way. So once we have brought the thread back, we just need to tighten it and put a knot. Just put a knot at the back. this is ready, the center flower is ready, and now we are going to cut this thread and we will glue it later. First we are going to make the yellow one now. The yellow one we are going to use 0.55 mm hook. So let's now start off. Make a magic ring and close it. Then we are going to make 6 single crochet into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull it and close the center part, and now make a slip stitch into the first stitch where we started the single crochet stitches. Now we are going to make these petals, okay. So for that we need to make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and then yarn over 3 times, same as we did for this flower, okay. 1, 2, 3. So this is it, and then slip stitch into the next stitch here. So this becomes the first petal of the flower. 1, 2, 3. Again into the same stitch take the yarn over thrice and then insert and bring out the hook and make the second petal. This is done. Third petal we are going to do 1, 2, 3 chain, then yarn over 1, yarn over 2 time, yarn over 3 time, and then pull the thread through these loops, and then insert the hook into the next stitch and then continue for 3 more petals. We are going to make 3 more petals, okay. After this, here also we have made 6 and here also we are going to make 6. So this is the last petal, and then we insert the hook into the next chain and pull the thread and just cut this. We are going to close this from the back. This is done. So now we are going to make a small round structure with the green color at the back. This is the magic ring and 6 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the last one is 6. Pull the yarn and slip stitch into the first stitch where we started. Now this yarn has to be pulled from the back. That's it. Now just bring the stitches closer so that it becomes perfect round structure. Now this is it. This is how we are going to make use of Now it's time for us to put the flower on the stud. So let's do this. We require a little more glue. Insert this stud through it, and then we are going to apply glue again on top of the stud, and then this one. Now this is how we do it, and just try to give this a little shape to the yellow flower. This is done. Apply glue here, and then just the right side up and facing this wrong side towards the flower. Now we are going to insert it through the hole and just try to stick it. Now this is it. The flower is ready and our earring also is ready. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you again.